Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial on using the command prompt. So let's get started. In today's video we'll start learning how to get system information from the PC. So there are multiple commands that we can use to get various information that you might need during working with the command prompt. So the first one is host name. And the host name returns to you the host name. The other one is WinVer, which stands for Windows version. And here it is. You get the information for the Windows version. Now, please note that sometimes you will get this window, and while others it will be printed in the command prompt. Let's keep going. The other one is who am I, and it will tell you that this is Abdel Nasser. For you, it will be different, but anyway, it will be for the currently logged in user. The next one is system info. It will take some time. Once it's done, it will show you a huge list of information about your Windows machine. For example, OS name is Microsoft Windows 10 Home Single Language. Name, we've seen that before. Here it is. Manufacturer, which is Microsoft Corporation, and OS configuration, standalone workstation, so it's not a server, for example. Build type, multiprocessor, free. Registered owner, Abdel Nasser, which is me. We've seen that here in Who Am I. And you can see system boot time, system model. So this is for the laptop. I am using a triple laptop, which is Satellite L50B, and many other information. I would recommend that you go over all of these, read them, understand them, so whenever you will need any piece of information from this, you will remember that, oh, the system info contains this information, so there's where I am going to look for this information. We have learned today 4 commands. They are, again, system info, host name, Windows version, and who am I. So that's it for me, guys, in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.